Okay, so let's consider what the outcomes have to be for this experiment of rolling a six-sided dice 3 times. Well, there could be any of 6 outcomes on the first roll. Think of it as rolling 1 dice 3 times. Any of 6 outcomes on the second roll, and any of 6 outcomes on the third roll. Now, the outcomes of 1 dice don't affect the outcomes of the next dice that's rolled, so they're independent. So the total number of sort of sets of 3 here is going to be 6 times 6 times 6. And that's actually a good answer, just 6 times 6 times 6. And if we wanted to evaluate that, the way I'm going to usually do it is to just start WX maxima and just type 6 times 6 times 6. And that means that there's 216 possibilities. So the sample space size is going to equal 216. This number is more important to understand than the particular value, because you can see then if you rolled a six-sided dice 10 times, it would just be 6 multiplied together 10 times. Okay, now let's try this one, which is a little bit more unusual experiment, which is also on page 267. It is number 2, which is consider the probability experiment of rolling a six-sided dice and tossing a coin. An outcome would need to be labeled by the face of the dice showing and the side of the coin. So what is the size of the sample space? And so I will